Welcome to today's session. In our last session, we are discussed about step by step how to solve word problem, then estimated difference, actual difference of the given set of numbers. Now we will enter today's session. In today's session, we are discussed addition and subtraction in the one word problem how to solve. This is new one for you children. 20 think and ink activity children. Use addition and or subtraction to solve the word problems. You have to solve the word problem using addition or subtraction, or else addition and subtraction two also you have to use for this word problem children. First question, a post office had to send out 4,452 posts on the same day. 1,123 have been sent out by the lunch time. How many more need to be sent? What are the facts are given here? Yes, number of posts sent in one day, then number of posts sent in lunch time. The two information given here children. You have to take your rough note now. Do it in your rough note as facts, operation, working and result part children. Activity 3.20 first question. What are the facts are given? Number of posts sent out in a day is 4,452. Then number of posts sent out in lunch time. Till lunch time they send 1,123. Then we have to find out how many more need to be sent. How many posts to have been sent. For that we have to use subtraction. We have to working out this part. 4,452 minus 1,123. 2 minus 3 is not possible, so we are getting 10 from here. It reduces to 4. 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 3. So they need 3,329 posts to be sent. They have to send 3,329 posts. Take the first question answer and write it here children. For the answer of first question is 3,329 children. Second question, a shopping company in Mangaluru received 2,349 goods from Hassan and 5,693 goods from Matikeri. How many goods did they receive in total? We have to find it out. Total means we have to add these numbers. This is your home fun activity children. Do it in your rough note. Then upload it in Chrysalis app children. For that you have to write the facts, working, operation, result. Like that you have to do the sum children. Third question. Toto Airlines has 1,937 aircrafts in the S series and 3,453 aircrafts in the K series. After a year, the following changes took place. Option A, 233 K series aircrafts were under repair. How many aircrafts in the K series can they now use? First, 1,937 aircrafts in S series, 3,453 aircrafts in K series. After a year, 233 aircrafts were under repair. First, we have to find out how many aircrafts are under usage. For that, you have to use the facts, operation, working, result. Like that, you have to write the answers. For the third sum, first A option, what all the facts are given? Number of paragraphs, in the K series is 3453. So number of paragraphs under repair is 233. What operation we have to use? Yes, subtraction. Working part 3453 minus 233. So you have to write the number carefully. Don't write in thousands place. You have to write it in 100th position. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus here is 0. Consider it as 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. So use 3220 paragraphs now. Now they are using 3220. Take this answer, write it in your studio book, children. For A option, 3220 is the answer. B option, at the same time, they decide to introduce 1230 more in the S series. They buy or produce 1230 paragraphs in F series. How many do they now have in the series? In the first time 1937 paragraphs in S series, they increase 1230 more now. So how many paragraphs in F series now? For B, I am going to working part one day I am going to write here. You have to write facts, operation, results as it is, children. First 1937 paragraphs are there. Then they are buying 1230 more. Now we have to add these numbers. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6, 9 plus 2 is 11. So we are writing 1 here, then going 1 to thousands place, 1 plus 1 plus 1, we are getting 3. So totally 3167 paragraphs in S series, children. So answer for B option is 3167. Now C option, how many paragraphs do they have in total now? For the first option, 3220 plus 3167, we have to find the answer. For adding these numbers, we are getting 6387, children. You have to do it in your rough note. Then fourth question, this is also your home fun. Create a word problem that includes addition and subtraction. The third question, like that, you have to create a question. Fourth one, addition and subtraction used in your word problem, children. Next, now I can subtract 4-digit numbers with and without regrouping method. Yes means tick here. Apply subtraction to solve real life problems. Isn't it? Yes means tick here. Create subtraction word problems. Yes means tick here. Next, PEP activity number 3.21 in your studio book, page number 79, children. Sneha and Sweta are twins. They are celebrating their 10th birthday by giving tofus to their friends. This is Sneha, this is Sweta. Sneha, I need 24 tofus. Sweta, I need 32 tofus. So we have to add these numbers. 32 plus 24. 2 plus 4 we are getting 6. 3 plus 2 we are getting 56 tofus. So how many do they need in total? So how many they need in total? 56 tofus. Out of the total is 56 tofus. Therefore father packed 32 toffus. How many toffus does he still need to pack? Here total is 56. He already packed 32. Remaining how many toffus he need to pack? For that we have to subtract for the given numbers. 56 toffus minus 32 toffus. 6 minus 2 we are getting 4. 5 minus 3 we are getting 2. So 24 toffus. We have to take the number 24 toffus. Write it over here. See here the number 32, 24. Adding we are getting 56. Then 56 minus 32 we are getting 24. The numbers is adding means we are getting a bigger number. We have to subtract the bigger number from the smaller number means we have to get the another smaller number, children. This is a relationship between addition and subtraction, children. I will give another example for you. See, subtract the number 24 from 45. 45 minus 24. 5 minus 4 we are getting 1. 4 minus 2 we are getting 2. What would you add to the difference to get 45? Which number we have to add? We have to get 45. Means 45 minus 24 we have to subtract these numbers. So 45 minus 24 we are getting same 21, children. So we have to get 45 means 21 plus which number? We have to get the number 45. 21 plus the smaller number 24. We are getting number 45. See here. 21 plus 24. 1 plus 4 we are getting 5. 2 plus 2 we are getting 4. So 21 plus 24 we are getting 45. 45 minus 24 is 21. 21 plus 24 is 45. When we subtract a number from another number, we get a difference. When this difference is added to the smaller number, we will get the bigger number. See here, when we subtract two numbers, we are getting difference. When this difference is added to this smaller number, we are getting the bigger number. This is the addition and subtraction relationship, children. Next, we can use the same three numbers to form different addition and subtraction facts, children. The facts that can be formed using the numbers 23, 43 and 66 are option A. 23 plus 43 is 66. When we are adding two smaller number, we are getting big number. We have to change these numbers. 43 plus 23, we are getting 66. Then this is addition facts. This is addition facts. C option. 66 minus 23 equal to 43. When we are subtract big number from one smaller number, we are getting another smaller number. As same as D option, 66 minus 43 equal to 23. This is subtraction facts. Subtraction facts. These are all the addition and subtraction facts, children. Next, activity number 3.22 in your studio book, page number 81, children. Use the sets of numbers to create addition and subtraction facts, children. Option A, 54, 23 and 77. For the addition facts, we have to add two smaller number. 54 plus 23, we are getting 77. We have to change these number. 23 plus 54 also we are getting 77. Then 77 minus 23 we are getting 54. 77 minus 54 we are getting 23. Did you enjoy this? Hope you all enjoyed it. Next, pause the video, do all the sums. Now check your answers, children. Like that you have to get the answer, children. Check your answers. Next, companion activity 3D. This is your home fun activity, children. This is your companion book, children. Activity number 3D in companion, page number 36, children. This is your home fun activity. Solve the following word problems. First question, Guru aims to sell 9,874 packets of biscuits by the end of September. By the 15th of September, he had sold 2,343 packets. How many more did he need to sell? You have to find the facts, operation, working part, then result. You have to find the answer, children. Next, second question. Shirin's grandmother does not remember her age. She only remembers that she was born in 1960. How old is her grandmother? You have to write the facts, operation, working, then results of the given question. This is verify these answers means whether you have to verify means you have to add the small number, then you have to get the bigger number. Check whether you are doing correct answers or not. Companion book, pause the video here, write it in your rough note and then do it. Upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Next, we can check our subtraction answer by adding the answer with the smaller number. Adding the answer with the smaller number. When we are adding the answer with smaller number, we have to get the answer bigger number. Next, think and ink activity. Activity number 3.23 in your studio book, page number 82, children. Place a tick if the problem is solved correctly. Place a cross if the problem is solved incorrectly. Show your working in the box provided using inverse relationship. For the first A option, 58 minus 13. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So, we have to check the answers means we have to add the answer with the smaller number. 45 plus 13 we are getting 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 58 we are getting the bigger number 58 as same. So this is correct. So they placed as correct symbol. For the B option we have to check the answer. 97. 97 means 97 minus 38 they given us 58. So it is correct or wrong means we have to add the answer with the smaller number. So 58 is the answer plus smaller number is 38. We have to add these number. 8 plus 8 we are getting 16. 16 ones placed, 1 in carryover. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So totally 96. See here the number is 97. It is wrong. So put a wrong over here. Next option C. 82 minus 24 we are getting 57. For that verification we have to write the answer first. 57 adding with a smaller number is 24. So 7 plus 4 we are getting 11. 11 in 1. Place 1. Carry over place 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 81. The bigger number is 82 is given here. This is wrong one. D option. 32 minus 18 is 14. We have to verify these answer. Answer is 14. Smaller number is 18. So 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 in 1's place. 1 in carryover. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 32. The bigger number is 32. It's correct only. See here. 562 minus 345. They are giving 217. We have to add the answer with smaller number is 345. So 7 plus 5 we are getting 12. 2 in 1's place. 1 in carryover. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So total bigger number is 562. See the bigger number 562. It's a correct answer. Like that you have to check the answer number plus smaller number. We have to get the bigger number. Like that you have to verify your answer in the inverse relationship method, children. Now I can explain the relationship between addition and subtraction. Yes means tick here. Next, verify the problem using inverse relationship. Yes means tick here, children. Next, companion project time, activity number 3, children. This is your home fun activity, children. This is companion book. Activity number 3, project time, page number 26. This is your home fun activity, children. Create a story based on addition or subtraction using the given storyboard. With your partner, follow the steps to create your story. Nowadays, you all in your home, you want one partner. You have to choose your brother or sister, or else you do with your parent children. Step number 1, develop your story. Choose a theme of own or use one of the theme given in the clouds. You have to choose one of the cloud. You have to use the theme, or else you have to create one theme. You have to give any topic here, children. Our story is on. In which topic you have to given this story means you have to write the topic theme here. Then choose a set of numbers from the cloud. You have to choose the number here, children. The numbers we choose are what are all the numbers you chosen in this clouds. You have to take and write here, children. Next, discuss with your partner and answer these questions. What are all the characters in your story? You have to write the characters. Settings. What are all the settings you have to input in this story? You have to write it here, children. Then you have to write the problem. Then solution of the problem. Next one, theme. What is your theme of the story? You have to write it here, children. Step number 2, add details in your story. You have to elaborate your story means you have to use this part. Fill in the boxes with the details of what happens in the beginning, middle and end of your story. You have to write the what is beginning story, middle story and end of your story. You have to write it here. See, you have to write it in this boxes. Step number 3, make a final version of your story and present it to the class. Nowadays you all in your home, so you have to present it in your Chrysalis app video option, children. In this boxes you have to write the final version of your story, beginning, middle and end. In this box you have to write it your story, beginning, middle and end, children. Step number 4, write the addition and subtraction facts. Write the addition and subtraction facts that you used in your story. What are the addition facts, subtraction facts you are used in this story means you have to write it over here, children. Step number 5, evaluation. How did you and your partner perform? Mark the box that suits your team. Teamwork rubric, cooperation. In which type you are working together with your brother or sister or your parent? How both of them working as? We did not work together throughout the activity. We did not help each other. Did you play like that? Means you have to color this one. Then mark this one. We worked together most of the time. We helped each other only when asked. Whenever one person asked you to for helping only you are using means you are helping means you have to tick this box. Then we worked together throughout the activity and helped each other complete it. When you are completely worked to each of them means you have to mark it this one, children. Then one thing that we did well. One thing we can improve on. You have to question both of them. Then you have to finalize which thing you did well. You have to write that point here. Which thing you have to improve in your story. You have to write it over here, children. This is your first story in project time, children. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you all try it out your level best, children. Now we are coming end of lesson. Complete the concept map. In this lesson we are seeing addition and subtraction. In addition part, when we add 2 or more numbers, the quantity are increased or decreased? Yes, increase. Where do we use addition? You have to answer for this question. What are all the places we are used addition? Then subtraction. When we subtract one number from the another number, the quantity will be, yes, decrease. Where do we use subtraction? Which are all the places we are using subtraction? You have to write your response here, children. Then inverse relationship. We use inverse relationship to which place we are using? Yes, verify answers. For example, 26 minus 12 we are getting 14. For verifying we are using inverse relationship, children. Now question time. Add the following sets of numbers. You have to do the sums in your rough note, children. Those are all not having book, pause the video here, take all the sums and write it in your rough note, children, and do the sums. Second question, subtract the following sets of numbers. Then third one, write addition and subtraction facts using the numbers given. Now we are ending of this lesson. In this lesson, we are discussed subtraction, estimation value, and addition, then inverse relationship of addition and subtraction. These are all the topics we are seeing in this lesson. Hope you all understand all the methods of addition and subtraction. Then hope you all enjoy this session also. Thank you, children. We will meet in next lesson. Bye bye.